Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY and the ROVSUN. In today's video, we will dive into the features, specifications, and overall performance of these two models. Whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or dorm, choosing the right washing machine can make a significant difference in your laundry experience. Let's get started. The COSTWAY portable washing machine boasts a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. In contrast, the ROVSUN model has a total capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. While both machines are compact, the COSTWAY offers a slight edge in capacity, making it ideal for users who need to do larger laundry loads. One notable difference between these two models is the presence of a built-in drain pump. The ROVSUN washing machine features a built-in drain pump, which simplifies the process of removing water after washing. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who want to avoid the hassle of manually draining water. On the other hand, the COSTWAY model does not have this feature, which may require more effort during the laundry process. When it comes to pricing, the COSTWAY portable washing machine is priced at $159, while the ROVSUN model is slightly more affordable at $149. Although the price difference is minimal, it can be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers. Both machines offer excellent value for their features, but the ROVSUN provides a more economical option without sacrificing essential functionalities. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and ROVSUN portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY offers a larger capacity, while the ROVSUN provides the convenience of a built-in drain pump and a lower price point. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, either machine could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.